Hello, welcome to Try Chinese Goodies. Today I will be cooking pita flatbread. I love all breads and make them every week. How about you? If you like my video, please press like and leave a comment. I'll be appreciate. Pour lukewarm water and sugar into a container. Stir well until it dissolves. Then add the yeast and stir well. Using lukewarm water can help the yeast to ferment faster. Set aside for 15 minutes. Add the flour and stir well to form a dough. Make sure that you keep stirring the flour until no dry flour left. This only takes 1 to 2 minutes. Pick up the dough and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil on the bottom of the container. After putting the dough back, pour 1 tablespoon of oil on the top of the dough, and spread the oil around the dough with your hands, so that the dough doesn't stick to the container after fermentation. Leave the dough to rest in a warm place for 90 minutes, or until it has risen and at least doubled in size. After the first rise, place the dough on a work surface and shape it into a circle. Divide it into 6 equal pieces. Shape the 6 pieces of dough into circles. Cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes for the second fermentation. After the second rise, roll each dough circle into 5-inch wide circles. While you roll out the pita bread, please preheat the pan. Pita bread must be fried over a high heat. Take the pita bread in your hand and carefully place it in the hot pan. When you see bubbles everywhere and the edges start to dry out, 45 to 60 seconds, depending on the heat level, turn the pita bread over. Fry in the pan for a further 45 to 60 seconds. Transfer to a plate. Cover with a cloth so that it does not dry out during frying. Look at that, the pita bread is fluffy and soft. Served with Greek chicken gyros, salad and tzaziki, Greek yogurt dip, on pita bread. If you like my video, please press like and leave a comment. I'll be appreciate. Have a nice day.